viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Hesarubele Moolangi Thovve, that is green gram and radish curry. Hesarubele, that is Moong Dal, is a superfood. It is rich in vitamins A, B, C and E. It also contains iron, calcium and potassium. Radish is rich in vitamin B and C. It also contains potassium and fiber. Now let us look at the ingredients. For making Hesarubele Moolangi Thovve, I have taken 1 cup of Hesarubele, that is green gram, and 250 grams of radish. Peel the skin of radish. Cut the edges of the radish. Chop them into small pieces and keep aside. Into a pressure cooker, add washed moong dal and chopped radish. To this, add ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 2 glasses of water. Mix, cover and cook for up to 2 whistles. For grinding, I have taken 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, 7 green chillies, 1-inch piece ginger, little coriander leaves and juice of 1 lemon. This is for later use. Into the mixie jar, add grated coconut, green chillies, ginger and coriander leaves. Add water and grind into a fine paste. Keep a vessel on stove. Add cooked moong dal and radish. Mix. Now add masala paste. Mix well. Add salt and mix. Add little water to adjust the consistency. Add little coriander leaves, little curry leaves. Mix well and allow it to boil till the raw smell of the masala goes off. Keep stirring in between. Turn off the stove and add lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Now let us do a tempering for this. Keep a pan on stove and add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, little hing, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 3 red chillies cut into pieces and fry for few seconds. Add little curry leaves and mix. Now add the tempering to Hesarubele Thovve. Mix well and Hesarubele Moolangi Thovve is ready. A healthy and tasty Hesarubele Moolangi Thovve, that is moong dal and radish curry, is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with steamed rice. Thank you for watching my video.